Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another popular spicy fried chicken drumstick recipe inspired by Jollibee. The recipe is very simple and quick. Trust me, the taste and flavor are much better than Jollibee. Let's get started. I like to use the sharp knife to poke the chicken drums so the seasoning can get in easier. But if you prefer using a fork or something else, feel free to do so. To season the chicken, we will be using half cup buttermilk, half teaspoon granulated chicken, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder. Mix the ingredients and rub the seasoning in the chicken drumstick until every single spot is covered. Set the chicken aside for 30 minutes and it should be good enough. While we are waiting, let's work on the crumbs. In a mixing bowl, add in 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons paprika powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix all the ingredients till well combined. Then whisk 1 egg and set it aside for later use. After 30 minutes, we can start coating the drumsticks in egg mixture and seasoned breadcrumbs. Put the drumsticks on a tray. Remember to leave some space between the drumsticks. To begin frying, preheat the oil to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. To test the oil temperature, I like to add small pieces of breadcrumbs into the oil. If you see bubbles surrounding it, then it means the oil is at the right temperature.
This is the perfect temperature.
Slowly add the drumsticks and cook for 8 minutes. These 8 minutes will pass so slow, especially when you're super hungry. But we have to be patient here. The drumsticks are quite big, so it takes a little bit until they are fully cooked. After 8 minutes, flip the drumstick so each side will cook evenly. We have to deep fry it for an additional 8 minutes with a slightly higher temperature of about 380 degrees Fahrenheit to create the crunchy texture. Check it out, the drumstick looks amazing. I recommend you put the chicken drumstick on a cooling rack or a colander to keep the crust crispy and get rid of extra oil. And that's it, our drumsticks are done. Here is the final result. Look at the crispy crust and that juicy meat. The chicken drumsticks are really delicious and taste much better than in a fast food restaurant. Did I make your mouth water? These drumsticks are so delicious. You won't need any condiments. The chicken drumsticks are usually seasoned enough. In case you want to add condiments anyway, you might want to consider my BBQ sauce or my Chick-fil-A sauce. This is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week.